Hey guys, welcome back to another episode here on our channel. Today we're at the water park. In fact, we're in Frankenmuth at Zehnders Splash Pad. First time ever being here. Atlas is super excited. She's gonna check it out. So stay tuned, guys. We're gonna go try to find the hot tub.
Let's go to the hot tub.
What do you think, Atlas? You wanna go on the hot tub? Alright guys, we got Atlas here. Atlas, what are you doing? What are you in right now? No. You're in the hot tub, guys. This is chilling. Hey, show us your move. Did you get water in your eyes? What, Atlas? It's too hard. Hey guys, I'm gonna take you into the water. How was it? Blast me, I dare you. Whoa, Atlas. Guys, we're gonna ride together down the crazy water slide. Atlas is nervous. Fun, Atlas? Yeah? What number are we?
16?
No, 123.
No, I thought.
It's a chicken. What is he doing? He's a creepy little fella. Guys, Atlas is making us ride this big green one. Atlas, this is too tall. It just keeps going, guys. All right, slow down. Holy crap. I can see some light too. All right, tell us about it. I was scared crapless, guys. For someone who was too scared to ride, now she's all excited. Hey, look, there's that thing again. Holy all the way up at the top, guys. Stay back until out of the water. Holy crap. Holy smoke. I don't want to get the camera wet. All right, guys, well, that was Zehnders Splash Village in Frankenmuth, Michigan, and I have to say, overall, very fun opportunity to go out and explore, especially since it was a place that we've never been to before. It's about a 40-minute drive for us, so not too bad. I will say the park overall was a lot of fun. Really good temperature inside of the park, some really fun water slides, water adventure splash area, really something for all ages. It wasn't too congested, and the price was pretty reasonable. I will say though, the only thing that we did not like was our food choices there and the amount of time that we did have to wait for food. So I want to say we spent about 30 bucks for a little bit of food, and we waited about 45-50 minutes to get it. So if you are going to eat there at the splash pad, I would highly recommend that either you leave and go over to the restaurant, or if you're purchasing your food, that you have one person wait while everyone else goes out and plays and then comes back and checks in. So that would be my only suggestion at this point. I did have some people ask what kind of camera we were shooting on. This was our first experience with the InstaPro 360. This is the first version of the camera. I do have to say I had some quirks with it. Ran into a situation where it switched over to manual autofocus, manual exposure. Got that figured out though pretty quickly. I think the camera shot great, so I'm really excited to check out the video footage once we get this up on YouTube. If you guys do like the footage, or you're in the market for an action camera such as this, I will have a link, an affiliate link down in the description. Please check it out. Every time you guys purchase from that, we get a very small kickback, which helps us with trips like this. Again, guys, I appreciate you. Thanks for checking out the video. Make sure to subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one. Thanks.